Good morning, friends. So, in the morning time, I am in my garden collecting the vegetables. You can see the nice brinjals here. It is very nice brinjals. You can see it. So, today I got almost half kg of brinjal, which are very fresh, very good in quality. So you can see the brinjals. It is the good brinjal in white and strip. So here again another brinjal. So almost near to 1 kilo brinjal I got today from my garden, and I will take some chili also. You can see the chilies are coming good way. Also I will take a few bitter gourds. Bitter gourds are coming here, and you can see the nice brinjals are coming in a very good way. You can see the brinjals. So brinjal is excellent, full of good nutrients. And I am plucking these brinjals for my kitchen. Good one. Good, excellent. Now I will take a few bitter gourds. Even bitter gourds are good for health. And now so good bitter gourds are coming. Oh my God, so good. This is an old tree, old plant, but it is giving now. Now because the winter is going to start another 1 month here. Now this September, in October 15, we will start thinking the winter will come. So therefore the rain is now less. Therefore the bitter gourds are coming good way. Otherwise, these were affected by pests. So I got almost, you can say, 250 grams of bitter gourds for my kitchen. It's a good one. And I will take also a few lady's finger. Lady's fingers are excellent vegetables, full of fiber, potassium. So this is the good lady's finger from the garden. You can see I'm plucking. So this garden is giving us a lot of things. One way it is giving vegetables, another way it is giving happiness to see, to work in the garden. Mostly my wife works now because I am busy for my office. So she is generally working in the garden, just like cleaning the grasses, and only watering is, I give the water to the plants when there is no rain. And it's a very good experience. You can find the vegetables. Now the rain is coming, so the winter is coming, so I will be planting different kind of new vegetable plants, such as cabbage, cauliflower, tomatoes. So these also are the you can say winter vegetables. The vegetables are too much costly here now. I could see the brinjals are now almost 50 rupees per kilo, and we are getting every day about, on an average, you can say 20 to 250 gram. And similarly, the lady's fingers are 40 rupees kilo. We are getting again same quantity. So our kitchen is served by our own garden vegetables, which is very healthy. And at the same time, we are getting engagement. And the cucumbers are also coming. You can see the cucumber. Yes, it is coming. And I've seen it. Somewhere I've seen small fruits are coming. It will take time a little bit because due to rain, it did not come properly. Anyway, so today also it is now drizzling here, and you can see the cucumber plants are now coming good way. The poi sag is inside. The poi sag is good way. Here another sag is there, and here one very good vegetable is called, in our language, called kundru. Kundru, I have put the root, and from root it is started coming now, kundru. These are the bitter gourds. These are now coming. So that will be in the winter. They will giving fruits. These beans are now not giving any fruits because they are fully affected by the pests, and they are now perished. So again I have to root out them, and I have to prepare the bed. Here again you can see the lady's finger. Good lady's finger is very good in that. So many people, even they are doing commercial basis, they are using their rooftop. I don't have time, so therefore I am just managing my kitchen. And here also you can find the brinjal. We have to pluck it because now it is fit for kitchen. So brinjal, good one, black. And also you can see the cucumber. Oh, so good. This cucumber is good one. Nice cucumber. So when you feel your plants are giving you another the tree, that the plant is now very high. So the cucumber I will be plucking after maybe 3-4 days, so it will be good, but not much this time. A few cucumber came this time. The beans also there, but the pests are affected. The pest affected the pests. But a few I can take it. I can take it for my kitchen. So this time here in our place the rainfall is less, so people are facing problems in cultivation. Though their irrigations are available, they are using the deep well irrigation. But still, I was talking to my father yesterday. He is staying in the village. So we had we have some land property. So that was given for rent. So he was telling the people are facing problems in irrigation because the rain is less this time. So this is all about today, and we will see tomorrow what my kitchen garden is giving to me. So excellent. Thank you very much. Goodbye.